All right, guys, so as you may already know, there's a lot of economic uncertainty right now surrounding this whole coronavirus thing, and this will affect a lot of consumers' personal finances. So on today's episode, we're actually going to be focusing and talking about what you can do to protect your credit from being affected. Maybe you need to use a little bit more than what you did on your credit cards, and now your balances are increased more than usual. Or maybe you're just at risk of losing your job. All of these are factors that could be affecting your credit score, but there are 5 things that you can do to prevent from hurting your credit score during this growing coronavirus pandemic. Check your credit report immediately. Yep, like right now. If you haven't done so already recently, now is the time to do so. We actually recommend that you check your credit report regularly, but it is especially important to do it now. The reason why this is so important is because regularly monitoring your credit report can actually help you identify potentially fraudulent activity, and you can respond to it before it affects your credit. Now remember that every year you're entitled to 1 free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. That's Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You can access these credit reports at annualcreditreport.com, and I've also recommended a credit monitoring platform like Identity IQ, which gives you access to 3 scores and 3 reports from all 3 major credit bureaus, and it only costs $1 for 7 days and $21.99 a month after that. The link is actually in the description below in case you want to go ahead and give them a try. Number 2, continue making all of your payments on time and contact your lender now if you don't think you can. Payment history actually affects 35% of your credit score, and this one late payment can severely drop your scores. Also keep in mind that if you don't make payments on time, you may incur additional fees. So if you think you're going to miss a payment, call your lender ASAP to see if they can provide you with some options or some assistance during this time. Number 3, declare financial hardship. It's important to speak with your lender now because some major credit card issuers are helping consumers claiming financial hardship for the coronavirus pandemic by increasing the credit limits, waiving some late fees, and even foregoing some interest charges. Number 4, consider getting a balance transfer credit card or one with an introductory offer. This may not be an option for everybody, but if it may be good for the time for some people to transfer their balances to a lower interest credit card to reduce their monthly payment amounts and help you get through some difficult financial times. If you see yourself charging a lot more onto your credit cards during this time, consider a card with extra rewards like cash back or maybe some sort of a welcome bonus. And number 5, last but not least, budget and make a plan. If you don't have extra cash put away for rainy days, it can be easy to rely on credit cards for financial assistance. Keep in mind though that you still need to pay them back. So make sure that you have a realistic plan to pay off your balances and try not to use more than 30% of your available limit. If you think that you will need to use more, call your lender and ask for a credit limit increase. Now guys, I hope you liked the information on this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, question of the day for you guys. In the comments below, let us know what you're doing during this coronavirus pandemic financially. This way we can all share this information and we can all contribute to have more of a financial stability. With that being said, guys, as usual, thank you guys so much for the love and support. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with family and friends, and until the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit, peace.